Hello friends, today we will learn what is any function in Python. So let's start. Friends, any function is returns true if any item in an iterable is true. Any item in iterable is true. Friends, here iterable means any list, dictionary, or tuple. These types of data structure will follow the iterable. So any item inside the list, dictionary, or tuple, if it is iterable, it returns true. If items in these iterables are false, then any function will returns us a false in output. Now let's see syntax for this any function, which is any, and inside it will take a parameter as iterable, which can be any list, dictionary, or tuple. This function will returns true if any of the object in this list, dictionary, or tuple is true. Suppose let's take an example. There is a list which el is equals to, we take a list as and the list has some items as 4, 3, 2, and 0. These are integers, and we will print output as any function, and inside this it takes a parameter as this list. Inside this list has iterables, means these items, so it will returns a true. So let's save this code and let's run, and let's see the output. So here output will be the true. So friends, if we will take items as any of false, let's take one is 0 and another is false, it will give a output as false. Let's see. Yes, let's see another example. If this list is empty, what will be the output? Let's take a list as a, which is equals to empty list, and print any. We will pass this list as argument. So let's save and let's see the output. So here second printer will give us false as output, because this list is empty. If any of the, if list contains, sorry, if list does not contains any atom, it will give us a false. We can also use any function to with this string. So let's create a string as yes is equals to, this is a string. Let's print output as any function, give parameter as yes, and let's save it and now see. So this string contains an iterable objects, so the output will be true. If this string will be empty, then output will also be false. Now if we make this string as 0, 0, 0, output will also be the same as true, because 0, 0, 0 behaves as a string, so it will returns a value as true, so output will be true. Now if we create an empty list, the output will be false. Let's see. yes, the output will be false. There was not any items in this list, in this string, so our output will be is false. We can also use this any function inside a if conditional statements. So let's take an example for it. Now first let's delete if this, and I will take an list as list is equals to uh, there are integer items as 55, 44, 33, 22 and 11. Now I will give an if conditional statement for this list as if any function, and inside which I will give an argument as list. Before passing this list, I will write here an condition which is if I in list, if any I in list modulus operator by 2 is equals to 0, I will also use here for loop to iterate these items in the list. So I write here I will delete this and then if I modulus 2 is equals to 0 for I in list, and then it will print at least one from this above list, one from above list is even. Let's see what will be the output. Save this code and so yes, output will be the at least one from the list is even, because this condition will be true, because in item in this list there is two items which are even numbers. So in this way we can use any function in conditional statements and loops. Now thank you for watching.